Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. I am your trainer Kazi and you are watching Excel 10 tutorial. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can compare multiple workbooks at a time and side by side. Okay, this is a tremendous feature of Microsoft Excel and you are going to be amazed. Let's get started. Take a look at, I have 4 workbooks, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me open them. This is the second workbook, third workbook and fourth workbook. And I just want to compare them side by side in this very window. Okay, so to do that you can do it from any of this opened workbook. Just go to the view tab and then click on arrange all. Click here, you will find 4 options here. First one is tiled. If you click here, take a look at this, we have 4 workbooks side by side. Okay, this option was for tiled. I can resize them also. And now let's check the second option. Click on view, then arrange all and go to horizontal. Click OK. See, I have 4 workbooks placed horizontally. Now let's go back to the workbook again and click on view, arrange all, click on vertical. Click OK. See, 4 workbook again side by side vertically. Now click on view, arrange all, cascade. Click here. See, 4 workbook again in different manner. I actually prefer the tiled option, which is this one. Click OK. And this is how I would like to compare 4 or multiple workbook in a single window and side by side. This is a tremendous feature. You can check this out and don't forget to subscribe. Here goes the subscription link. If you want to offer me a coffee, here is the link for that. And if you want to learn Microsoft Excel VBA, check out this playlist. Thanks for watching. Thank you.